Hi there, my name is Rick, my call sign V7TK. This video today is to just give an idea of what can be done with the QRP Labs clock module. I have the QRP Labs clock in a refrigerator plastic container with the QLG from QRP Labs GPS. The clock is synced to the GPS, and it's very reasonable in price since both of these items are available on the QRP Labs website. So as a quick review, I've added a few auxiliary items to this particular module. The 4-line display is obviously one of them, and I've put on a couple of temperature sensors for remotely sensing the temperature. The 4-line display can be set up and personalized to your needs, and I've shown here several options, and this is the way I have mine programmed. The first top line is fixed, and it shows the day, the month, the year, my call sign, and to the left, to the right of my call sign is a small beating heart. This heart indicates that it is getting the 1 pulse per second from the GPS satellite. And if you look at the top, you'll see the green flashing light and several other lights. That is visible from the GPS GPS module itself. The second line on the display I've set up to show local time and UTC time. It displays one for 3 seconds, then moves to the other and cycles through them. On the third line, I have the temperature sensors, and the interior and exterior temperature sensors are on this. And these are using the TMP 36 3-pin device for temperature sensing. You provide 5 volts and ground, and the output is linear, and you take that back to the clock module board, and it presents you with the temperatures inside and out. In line 4, I have the latitude displayed for 3 seconds, the altitude, which you take with a grain of salt, the grid square for the locality, and the longitude. So those 4 things cycle through as well. These kits are quite reasonable in price. The 4-line display is available probably from any place that handles Arduino or suppliers other than that. The clock comes with a 2-line display, but the software will allow you to put on a 4-line display as well. Anyway, that's it, and just thought I'd run through it, and again, thanks for watching, and hopefully we'll see you again soon.